The world of identity verification and security is rapidly evolving, and the demand for high-quality, personalized credentials has never been higher. But what if I told you that one of the biggest challenges in this space is not the complexity of the technology itself, but the speed and efficiency of the printing process? Today, I'll be reviewing the Fargo DTC1250e single-sided desktop die sublimation/thermal transfer printer, a cutting-edge solution that's about to revolutionize the way you create and manage IDs, cards, and other critical documents. As we all know, the faster you can produce, the more efficient your operations become. But let's face it, many print solutions on the market are often bogged down by slow speeds, making them a hindrance to productivity rather than a catalyst for growth. This is where the Fargo DTC1250e comes in, boasting the fastest print speed in its class. By minimizing wait time for personalized cards and IDs, you'll be able to focus on higher-level tasks and free up resources for more strategic initiatives. But speed is just the beginning. The Fargo DTC1250e also delivers high-quality output, perfect for creating visually rich credentials that demand attention. With the ability to produce high-resolution images and intricate details, your IDs and cards will stand out from the crowd. Whether you're working with sensitive information or simply want to create premium-looking documents, this printer has got you covered. Setting up the Fargo DTC1250e is a breeze. The intuitive, user-focused interface makes it easy to navigate, ensuring that even those with limited technical expertise can get up and running in no time. Consumables loading, operation, and maintenance are all designed with simplicity in mind, freeing you from the burden of complicated instructions and tedious troubleshooting. Security is, of course, a top concern in the world of credentials and ID creation. That's why the Fargo DTC1250e comes equipped with built-in ES-256 encryption and resin-scrambled data protection. With these advanced security measures in place, you can rest easy knowing that your sensitive information is safeguarded from unauthorized access. Now, let's talk about the environment. In an era where sustainability has become a buzzword, many organizations are scrambling to reduce their ecological footprint. The Fargo DTC1250e addresses this concern with its Green Circle certified energy efficiency, supporting your green initiatives and reducing waste. Let's take a closer look at the design and build quality of the Fargo DTC1250e. As you can see, the printer features a sleek, compact design that fits seamlessly on any desktop. The robust construction and durable materials used in its manufacture ensure that your investment will withstand the rigors of heavy use. One of the standout features of the Fargo DTC1250e is its advanced card printing capabilities. With support for a wide range of card types and sizes, you can create the perfect fit for your needs. Whether you're working with standard PVC cards or something more exotic, this printer has the versatility to handle it. But what really sets the Fargo DTC1250e apart is its ability to produce die sublimation prints. This innovative process involves infusing the ink directly into the material, resulting in unparalleled image quality and durability. And with the ability to print on a variety of materials, including polycarbonate and polyester, the possibilities are endless. In terms of performance, the Fargo DTC1250e delivers. With print speeds of up to 200 dual-sided cards per hour, you'll be able to meet even the most demanding production requirements. And with a wide range of supported media types, you can be confident that your prints will look their best. I'd be remiss if I didn't mention the various software integrations available with the Fargo DTC1250e. This includes support for ID Works, Print Studio for ID, and more, ensuring seamless compatibility with your existing workflows. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the Fargo DTC1250e boasts an impressive array of features, including rapid print speed, high-quality output, and advanced card printing capabilities. Additionally, the intuitive user interface and robust security features offer unparalleled peace of mind. However, some may find the relatively high upfront cost to be a drawback. Furthermore, the printer's bulk may make it less suitable for smaller workspaces. Additionally, certain features, like resin scramble data protection, are only available with the purchase of additional subscription services. When it comes to competitor products, there are a few options worth considering. The DataCard SP35, for example, offers competitive features and pricing, though its build quality pales in comparison to the Fargo DTC1250e. Meanwhile, the Primacy 320 also delivers rapid print speeds and high-resolution output, though its card printing capabilities are more limited. After taking all of these factors into account, I firmly believe that the Fargo DTC1250e single-sided desktop die sublimation/thermal transfer printer is an exceptional choice for anyone involved in ID creation or card printing. Its unbeatable combination of speed, quality, and security, coupled with its sleek design and robust construction, make it an indispensable asset in any workspace. Whether you're working within public sector, private industries, or even commercial enterprises, the Fargo DTC1250e is an investment that will undoubtedly yield a strong ROI. So why wait? Dive into the world of Fargo's incredible line of professional printing devices and start streamlining your workflows today. You can acquire this amazing product on major online marketplaces like Amazon or directly from certified retailers like Ingram or CDW.